Hi everyone, it's Christine here from the Sanford Edible Garden Trail, and I'm here with Steve, and he's going to show us a really quick method to make compost. And if you look at this soil, it's fantastic. And he's in a small space, a very small space, and I think the trouble we all have is getting compost quickly and fast, and Steve's going to show us that today.
Okay. So here is some compost which I've just harvested some of this. It's only really a couple of weeks old and hasn't fully broken down, but it's enough for the new garden beds we've just put in this week. Shortly I will refill this and show you the layering I use to build that up. Over here we have a few more compost bins which have been going for about a month, and they should be right to go anytime soon as well. So basically I'll start off with lawn clippings or green matter. I do like to leave a bit of the old compost in the bin so that we've got a bit of a base to start with, and possibly some worms and some good bacteria in there. So I'll just stick in a layer of green. Where are we? A bag of horse poo. And a bag of brown. And that's it. Have this wonderful device here, a stirring screw, which I can then use to drill down and mix it all up. But I'll let that go for a week before I do that. The next part of this step is to wet it down basically, but with all the rain coming tomorrow, I'll let the nature do that for me. And that's my quick, easy way to make some compost. In about 3 to 4 weeks, this should be ready for me to put into gardens, layer on the top, and let it build up the soil that's there. Thank you.